Hello everyone, welcome back to Atreyu Crochet. So today I will be bringing to you another scarf tutorial. It is still scarf season, so let's get right to it. This is a very easy pattern. It's a 1-row repeat, and we're going to be using the extended single crochet. For you beginners, you may not have ever heard of this stitch, so this is a good opportunity to learn it because you're learning it from me. Things you will need include a skein of yarn. If you like this yarn, this colorway, I'll leave a link to it in the description box, so check it out. And this yarn calls for a 5.5 millimeter US crochet hook. However, I'm going to be using slightly larger 5.75 millimeter because of my tight tension. Use what's best for you. You'll need a darning, weaving, tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. And if you don't plan on completing the scarf all in one go, then a stitch marker is always handy for you to put on the loop that your crochet hook normally occupies, just so that you don't undo accidentally any of your work. Let's get started. So you want to take your yarn, your tail, wrap it around your finger that way, twist, exchange. Now wrap the yarn around your finger in that direction. Pull this one over that one and off your finger while lifting up on the loop that's still on your finger. Insert your crochet hook into the loop, and then you're going to pull to tighten. The multiple for this scarf is just an even number. And after you get that desired width, which will be an even number, then you're going to add 2 more stitches. So basically just chain out an even number of stitches. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I kind of like that width. Let me go a little bit further. 21, 22. All right, this is going to be a nice wide scarf. After last week's video, if you haven't seen that, you should check it out. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling wider scarves at the moment, so we'll go with that. All right, so I think this is 22 stitches, and I'm going to add 2 more. So 23, 24. All right, so now what we're going to do, you guys, let's get to the nitty gritty of this pattern. We are going to put a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Here's the hook. Here's the first chain from the hook. And right next to it is the second chain from the hook. In there, we're going to put a single crochet. So I'll just go in there, yarn over, pull through for 2 loops, and then yarn over and go through 2. 1, 2. After the single crochet, we're going to chain 1. All right, so now it's time for the fun part. But Atreyu, you said that was the fun part. Well, it is, but now the really, really fun part. All right, so we're going to skip the next chain. So this is the second chain from the hook that we put the single crochet in and chained 1. So here's the next chain. We're going to skip that and go into the one thereafter, right there. Okay. So go into that chain. So skip a chain, go into that one, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through to the front. And you're going to have 2 loops. So now we're going to extend this single crochet. So when we yarn over, instead of going through 2 loops, we're only going to go through the first loop. Like that. And now we're going to yarn over again and go through the remaining 2. 1, 2. And so what you have is this extended single crochet. After you make your EXSC, that's also the abbreviation for extended single crochet, then you chain 1. And we repeat this across. Here's the next chain, we skip that. Here's the one thereafter. That's the one we go into. So remember, yarn over, pull through to the front for 2 loops, like any other single crochet. But when we yarn over now, we only go through the first loop. 1, okay? And now we yarn over again and go through the remaining 2. And that is our extended single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next chain, which is there, go into the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front for 2 loops, yarn over, and go through only the first loop, 1, and then yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Skip the next chain, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front for 2 loops, yarn over, only go through the first one, then yarn over, go through the remaining 2, chain 1. You guys getting this now? Skip the next chain, which is there, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1 loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, chain 1. Skip the next chain, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front for 2 loops, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Skip the next chain, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Skip the next chain, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. You guys hear my rhythm? Skip the next chain, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Skip the next chain, go on the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Skip the next chain, go on to the one thereafter, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2. And that's what you have. When you put that final extended single crochet in that final chain there, you don't chain 1, okay, because you're at the end. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love this already, and I love this colorway, and I love the width of this scarf, and everything is just amazing. Alrighty, now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Before you turn your work, I just want to show you where we're going to put our next extended single crochet. We're going to go right here, okay, in the top there of that one right there, okay. So we're going to skip this chain 3 kind of counts for that, and also that chain 1 space. So this is taken care of, that's taken care of, and we're going to crochet into this when we turn our work, okay. I'll try to leave that in there. So I've chained 3, now I'm going to turn my work like this, and right there where the darning weaving tapestry needle is, that's where we're going to start the pattern all over. All right, so I'll take this out now. All right, so I go in that space, yarn over, pull through to the front for my 2 loops, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1, and then I find the next one, which is here, that gap. So you'll see like that one little strand there, and there'll be a gap. So just go in there, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Here's the single strand, here's that gap, go in there, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Here's that single strand, here's the gap, and that's the top of the extended single crochet. So just go in there, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. And you'll just continue doing this across, okay? I'll meet you at the very end so that I know you know what to do on the end, okay? And then we'll just repeat row 2 until we get to our desired length for our scarf. Okay, I'm here at this chain 3 that we started row 2 with, okay? So all we're gonna do is put our extended single crochet in the 3rd chain up. 1, 2, 3, that top chain there, right there, okay? Except we're gonna be coming from this way. So we'll just go in there, we'll take this out now, and make our extended single crochet. Yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2. Okay? And let me make sure, yeah, I didn't. So I want to chain 1. I forgot to chain 1 after that EXSC. I knew something didn't feel right. All right, so I chain 1 and then I do what I just told you. 1, 2, 3, go in there and make your extended single crochet. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2. And then how do we start the next row? We start every row by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. This first EXSC is taken care of, as is that chain 1 space. We wouldn't have seen that chain 1 space if I didn't remember and go back and chain 1. And so we go to the next EXSC there. And that's where we start. Okay? So first EXSC, chain 1 space now, and now we go over here. There's the line, there's the gap, and we start with our EXSC or extended single crochet chain 1. Can you guys tell I don't want to let you go? I need to let you fly though. Here's the next one. Chain 1. Okay, one more. There. Chain 1. All right, you guys. I'm confident that you will be able to do this now, especially you beginners. And the good thing about it is there's a nice texture, okay? This colorway, while it's a little busy, it's still nice. It provides a good texture, and you can, when looking at it, I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but you can definitely still see the pattern, okay? I think some people call this the pike stitch. I'm not really into names. It doesn't really matter to me. As long as I like the pattern, I don't necessarily need to know what it's called. I just need to know how to create it. So that's kind of how I look at things. So, but yeah, I think it might be called the pike stitch. All right, guys, I'll check back in once I get to my desired length. As always, have fun. Okay, and here's a solid color. So let me just demonstrate really quickly. Same thing I just showed you. So you chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, this extended single crochet on the end is taken care of by that chain 3, as is this chain 1 space. Those are taken care of. So you can kind of look at what looks like 2 chains, right? Go over one and find the next one. And that's where we're going to start our extended single crochets and go that way. So we turn our work, okay? And then here's the place, there's the vertical line, there's the gap. So we just go in there and make our extended single crochet, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Here's the next one, yarn over, pull through to the front, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Here's the next one, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Here's the next one, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. And then we're at that chain 3, just go into the top chain, 1, 2, 3, and make your extended single crochet like that. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. This one is taken care of, that chain 1 space is taken care of, so we need to go in there now. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Find the next one. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Find the next one. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. Here's the next one. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 1. And then we're at this chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, chain 3, because we're on the end. See how quickly this pattern goes? But look at that beautiful pattern. It's very unique, different, okay? So for the people who may not have been able to see well with the variegated yarn, now you have no excuse not to crochet this. But if you didn't get this far in the video, then you don't know that I was nice enough to do this for you. You sure don't. So I'll see who's really watching the entirety of my videos. All right, I'll check back at the end. All right, you guys, so I have used the entire skein, which is not surprising to get it to a decent length with this width. By the way, you should see the measurements now. So yeah, finally, I'm just going to chain 1, pull through, and then weave in that tail, weave in the tail at the end, and also the one at the beginning. Let me show you the finished product. All right, you guys, the tails are now no longer, and here's my thick, beautiful, stretchy, warm scarf. So easy to make with this wonderful 1 row repeat. I'm really encouraging you guys to make this scarf because it is just amazing. This colorway is amazing. The color, the unintentional color scheme of today's video is amazing, is it not, right? Unplanned. But no. Seriously, the colorway is beautiful. And it's such a easy one row repeat scarf pattern, okay? So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see another one repeat scarf pattern, check out the video above. And if you want to see more videos from me, then consider subscribing. I will see you guys in the next one. Happy crocheting.